In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule meetings in Goodday. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to create a meeting so you and your team can stay organized and aligned. Let's start from your Goodday account home screen. Once you're logged in, the first thing you want to do is choose the right place to work from. In Goodday, that usually means selecting a specific workspace or dashboard. Take a moment to look at the left-hand side or the top navigation, depending on your layout, and click into the workspace or dashboard where you manage your projects or your team's activities. Picking the right one helps keep your meetings associated with the correct projects and context, so things don't get scattered across different areas. Once you've opened your workspace or dashboard, look for the highlighted area or menu item related to additional tools or sections. This is typically where Goodday groups features like calendars, events, and in this case, meetings. Go ahead and click on that highlighted section. If you're unsure, hover your mouse over the icons or labels. You're looking for the option that will lead you to meetings. After you click that highlight, you should see an option labeled Meetings. This is the central place where all your scheduled or planned meetings are organized. Click on Meetings to open the Meetings view. Here, you may see a list of upcoming or past meetings depending on your previous activity. This page will be your hub for creating and managing everything related to meeting schedules. Now, to schedule a new meeting, look for a button or link that says New Meeting. It's usually positioned near the top of the meetings page, and it might stand out with a different color or a plus sign. Click on New Meeting. This tells Goodday that you want to set up a fresh meeting rather than editing an existing one. Once you've done that, you'll see an option to Create Meeting. This is where you'll actually confirm that you want to start defining the meeting details, such as title, date, time, participants, and any agenda items. Go ahead and click on Create Meeting. After this, you'll be taken to a form or editor where you can fill out all the information needed and then save or schedule it so everyone can be notified and prepared.